Computer shortcut keys. Computer shortcut keys help the user to perform certain functions in a quick manner while using any computer application. As we use computer frequently, we must have knowledge about the computer shortcut keys. Computer shortcut keys provide an easier way of navigating and performing commands in a computer software. Learning the computer shortcut keys would help you to make your work easier and faster. Here is a list of commonly used shortcut keys that can provide an easier and quicker method of using computer programs. List of basic computer shortcut keys. Ctrl+A selects all text. Ctrl+C copy the selected item. Ctrl+V paste the selected item. Ctrl+X cuts the selected item. Home takes the user to the start of the current line. Ctrl+Home go to the beginning of the document. End go to the end of the current line. Ctrl+End go to the end of a document. Shift+Home highlight from current position to beginning of the line. Shift+End highlight from current position to end of the line. Ctrl+Alt+Delete reboot or Windows Task Manager. Alt+F4 close current open program. Ctrl+F4 close window in program. Alt+Tab it allows you to switch between open programs on a computer.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार.
Thank you DPMI.